To make vanilla buttercream frosting, first add 1 cup, 220 grams, of room temperature butter to a large mixing bowl. Then, beat the butter with an electric mixer for 5 minutes, which will make it light and airy. Next, add 3 cups, 375 grams, of sifted confectioner's sugar in 1 cup, 125 grams, increments. Beating the mixture for 1 minute after each addition. Finish by beating in 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of vanilla and 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of milk. If you want to make chocolate buttercream frosting, first beat 1 cup, 220 grams, of room temperature butter in a large mixing bowl for 5 minutes. Then, beat in 5 cups, 625 grams, of confectioner's sugar, adding the sugar in 3 batches until the butter and sugar are fully combined. When you add the last third of the sugar, beat in ½ cup, 50 grams, of cocoa powder too. Finish your frosting by beating in ½ cup, 120 milliliters, of milk and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of vanilla extract. You can gradually mix in more milk if your frosting is too thick.